Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on FXTM. And if you want to buy crypto, we go simply here to symbol, where we will find all the symbols right here. And then we select right here crypto CFD. And now we have here a list with all the cryptos that we can trade. So let's say, for example, we want to trade Cardano. Then we go to Cardano, click right here on show symbol. Then we do OK. Throw it right here to the chart and you see one lot is 20,000 Cardano. And then right now we go to new order. It's also standing right there. And now what we're going to do is select right here how much in volume we want to buy. So 0.01 is fine. We can put a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. And then right now we click here on buy market. And now if you can see right here at the trade panel that we created ourselves a position on Cardano. So yeah, hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.